Hi, good morning, P5. Welcome back to the English video lesson. Today you are going to have review final task. I hope while you are watching this video, you may take your notebook and have some practice with. Okay, here we go. This is the topic coverage for final exam 2020. For the reading skill, you will have to practice in activity book. So you will find out how do you answer in essay. Okay. And second one, writing about food chain. Next, weather report, leaflet. You also can practice exactly in activity book page 166. Description of rainforest animals, and the last one, adjective orders. Okay, now let's study one by one. For the writing, you need to be able to label the food chain below. Now, I am providing you, I'm showing you the food chain with the name. Now your job to label them. So if you have 4 pictures, it means you will name them. Okay, you will name them, label them. So from the lowest level to the highest one. What is the lowest one? The lowest one, of course, is producer, right? And it's always a plant. What is the highest one? Of course, the strong animal, or maybe we can say tertiary animals. Okay, let's find out one by one. So flower here as the producer, snail is the primary consumer. Snail eats flower. Okay, after that, secondary consumer is the frog. Frog will eat snail. And then last one, tertiary consumer, the fox will eat frog. Okay, it is in order. Okay, this is in order. Now, how about if I give you the pictures like this, okay, and it is not in order. So your job, before you label them, you need to order first the picture. Okay, order the picture first, then you label it. Like I said before, the first picture must be a plant, right? Because it is a producer. So this is the first picture, okay, okay, the plant. Second one, what will be? What will be? Maybe could be is it a snake or lizard or maybe this? Nah, you can guess. Okay, you can guess. And it has also four items. So it means it will be from the lowest to the highest, or it will be the producer, from the producer to the tertiary consumer. Okay, you guess first. Okay, so it will be also the producer, and then the second one, the small animal. Third one could be bigger, and the last one should be strong and the big. Okay, let's check what is the answer. Nah, check. Like I said, it always begins with a plant. Okay, so the maize is the producer. Second one, the locust. Okay, the locust eats the maize. So the locust here as primary consumer. Next, lizard eats the locust, okay, as the secondary consumer. And the last one, the biggest one, the strong one, is the snake, which eat the lizard. Okay, so you have to be able to order and label them correctly. That is for writing section. Now let's move to reading, a passage of weather report. In here, you have to clearly understand the message, the information, before you answer it correctly. Okay, good evening and welcome to Global News today, Friday, 25th May. We start with a warning about a typhoon which is coming across the south of Ireland. The typhoon will be the worst at 4 p.m. tomorrow when there will be extremely heavy rain and high winds. The storm should pass by 8 p.m., so please stay indoors during the storm. Temperatures during the day tomorrow will be about 28 degrees Celsius and it will be extremely humid. The temperature will drop to about 23 degrees Celsius at night. Good night. So from the weather report, you have to know what is the extreme weather. Second one, maybe there is suggestion, okay, using should, remember? And then the last one, what is the next prediction weather, okay? The next weather prediction, another day, okay, in the next day. Now let's check one by one. What is the extreme weather coming today? It is a typhoon, right? Before you have seen it, okay? Typhoon, which is coming in across the south of island. What is the specific detail about extreme weather? Yeah, it will be the worst at 4 p.m. tomorrow, right? This is the detail. And there will be also extremely heavy rain and high winds. What is the suggestion? The suggestion is stay indoors during the storm. And what is the next or the weather prediction for tomorrow? Tomorrow there will be this, okay, temperature that will be like this, 28 degrees Celsius and extremely humid, and drop to 28 degrees at night. Okay, so that is the answer. So make sure you understand the information about weather report so you can answer the question correctly. Okay, extreme weather, specific about it, suggestion given by the reporter, or and also the weather prediction for the next day. Okay, next is about leaflet. Okay, leaflet, like I said before, you can practice exactly how to read leaflet and then answer the question. Okay, and then answer the question. Before that, you also have to practice again how to count money. Okay, this is the example that I took from our um, lesson at that time. A family of six want to spend the day at the Moor farm. There are three adults, one is pensioner. So it means two adults and one is pensioner. And three children, aged 1, 10, and 8. They have 40 pounds. How much money do they have left to spend at the farm once they have paid for tickets? And now let's check one by one because every person, okay, have a different price. So make sure you understand first, okay? Two adults here. The price is 8. So we times 2, and then we got the total here 16 pounds, and then one pensioner is 6.50 pounds. Children under 2 years is usually free admission. Okay. Next, children 8 and 10 years, a total is 12 also, or you can separate them as 6 and 6 also. And then we have the total here as 34.50. Because the question is how much money do they have left? So it means you need to minus it from the budget they have. They have 40 pounds, and then they need to pay for the tickets 34.50. So the money left is 5.50 pounds. Okay. Next, counting. Okay, next counting. This is also taken from your activity book. Okay, like you did uh, last week. Okay, now let's start. Nah, this in here you have different price. Okay, so make sure you really read the problem carefully. Okay. Here adult $10, and then over 65 you need to pay 7.50, and then children 3 until 12 $7, and children under 2 years, like I said, it's free admission. Work out how much it will cost the family to visit the wild animal sanctuary. Okay, now let's count one by one. Okay, now here, so two adults. Count it directly, 10 times 2, we got $20. And then one child, 3 until 12, right? One child, $7. One child under 2 years, it's free. So it means we only total the adults and also the child. Okay, two adults and one child, total is $27. Okay. So be careful when you count. the tickets. Okay. Now, okay. Now let's move to description of rainforest animals. You have done this in unit test 1. Maybe you can check again how did you review, and you may also read again some animals that are not included in here. Okay. Okay, these are the following descriptions. Nocturnal animals, and it's a nocturnal animal. It lives in Central and South America. It often screams or jumps up and down, shaking the tree branches. And it has got thick black brown red fur and 4 long limbs. Yes, we know from the description C, you can directly mention it is spider monkey. Okay, let's you also can guess maybe from the behavior of the animal, or maybe also from what it looks like. Okay, okay, next try again. It's got a tan or orange hue, and its underbelly is white. It has large teeth, large eyes, 4 muscular legs, and long tail. And the last one, it likes to eat frog, fish, turtles, deer, monkeys, tapirs, dogs. It's got a tan or orange. It has large teeth, large eyes, 4 muscular legs, and long tail. What do you think? And the diet is like this. It must be a strong animal, right? Yes, jaguar. Next description 3. It has long limbs used for climbing and jumping. It has nails instead of claws. It is native to Madagascar, and it likes to eat insects and fruit. This is also from your unit test 1. Yes, gray mouse. Gray mouse. Let me. Now, description 4. It is mostly found in the rainforests of Central and South America. The major threats to its population are loss of habitat and capture for commercial pet markets. It's mainly a fruit eater, and it's got a big yellow and brown sharp bill, which used to pick and throw fruit. Okay, from point D, you can directly guess it is. Okay. Now this is the last one, okay, before you have mentioned the animals based on the description. Now, check again or remember again the adjective order that you need, okay, to describe the animal, right? Okay. So the adjective order that you have to memorize 9 items from number, opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and the noun. So the number will be at the beginning, and the last one will be the noun as it is being described. Okay, now let's check one by one. It has got long, so you order it. That's why it's named adjective order. Okay, long here belong to size. Okay, belong to size. Nah, sharp here is the shape, and claw is the noun. Okay. So it has got long, sharp claw. What is being described? The claw. Okay. Next, number 2. A means number 1, right? We don't usually use one beautiful. No, we do usually use a as 1. So a as the number, and then beautiful as the opinion, and then large as the size, gray as the color, African as the origin. So origin means the countries, okay. And then parrot is the noun is being described. So a beautiful large gray African parrot. So do not put African here in the middle, okay. Check again the order. That. So once you order it, you will use this, okay, as your guidance. The last one, again as a number, tiny the size, pink is the color, African is the origin, and the last one, the noun is frog. So a tiny pink African frog. Okay, memorize again at home. Okay, P5, this is our lesson for today. So this is the review for final test. I do hope you keep reviewing at home, study again from learner's book and activity book. Keep practicing, okay? And don't forget, good luck. Thank you, P5. See you next time. Bye-bye.